Confluence is gaining some new features, and there's at least two worthy new features that are worth mentioning from the Atlassian Team 25 conference. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and let's jump into it. The first one is the new UI glow up. Like Jira, Confluence is also getting a facelift. And this is kind of new because Jira has been front and center, and I made a lot of videos about the new Jira UI. There's very little known and to be said about the Confluence version of that UI update, but rest assured that Atlassian is carrying over a lot of the design principles from Jira and bringing it over to Confluence. So this is a pretty good and interesting thing because hopefully, unlike how they did it in Jira where they moved everything around, the Confluence UI glow up doesn't look as drastic. And so the experience looks more native. But after talking to a solution partner over the last couple of weeks, I did notice that some connectors or some abilities for marketplace vendors to interact with Confluence have changed. And so this is going to be changing the game for a few different people. Now, the other worthy announcement that they made is something called a live doc. And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. And the live doc is interesting because instead of creating a regular Confluence page, you're going to be able to create a live document. And essentially what this is the ability for you and your team collaboratively in real time, no updates required, create documents. And think of this as more like Google Docs. But the only difference that Mike said on stage between a page and a live doc is that you're going to have to make a decision whether if you want historical data, that version history, you're going to need to stay on a page. But if you don't care and you just want to quickly and collaboratively create documentation or whatever you want to do in Confluence, then the live doc option is going to be best for you. But it sounds like it's not going to be able to keep up with all those version histories. And so you're going to have to sacrifice real-time collaboration for that historical information. So I'm very excited for this one because oftentimes I'm in a virtual meeting trying to collaborate with my teammate, and we have to go to like Google Docs to be able to collaborate in real time because with Confluence, you've got to refresh and you got to send update. And it's like a whole mess. But it seems like Atlassian's like, we can take care of that. We'll be able to do it in-house. And so now you can create a document and in real time, all your friends, all your coworkers can just be updating those Confluence pages. So that's the two major announcements from Team 25 coming to Confluence. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you drop a like, and in the comment section, let me know if you're going to be using the new live doc feature or if you think it's going to be a little bit of a fad. Let me know down below.